That is the current situation of our house that we just moved in 2 weeks back. Water was dripping, draining from the top yesterday, and now it's all dirty drainage water coming out of all the bathrooms, drainage. You can see it's all in water, and it's rising more since yesterday.
The water level just kept rising. It was coming out of our drainage basically. So we are guessing there's some kind of blockage, which the guys are here, authorities are here clearing out, helping us to do it. I know it's a lot of work and they're doing their best right now to just get it out. I don't know how long it's going to take. We're all waiting, trying to see what's going to happen next. It's already been almost more than 24 hours. We have homes with little kids, older people, dogs, which we evacuated already. Try to save whatever we can in terms of our stuff and basically trying to manage without electricity and everything. I'm blessed to have relatives here, so I'm going to be at my sister's. Luckily, I have friends and relatives, so I'm going to be spending the night there with, like, my kid is safe there, my mom's safe there. But at the moment, I don't know how long it's going to take. I literally moved into my house 2 weeks back and I'd got everything done new. And my entire garden, my entire living room is just like, all my furniture is floating up right now. So I just hope and wish this really, their work really pays off and this starts getting better faster.